My people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up, respect and manners. I'm going to present a video to you. Now, this video is going to show an injured person. Based on information that I got about the whole situation, and according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, it is said that the person had been injured at a place where the person worked. It is said that the person left a country that he's from to go in another country to work, and the person had been injured at the place where the person worked. It is said that the person left a country where he's from to another country due to something that is known as a work program. So may I say, my people? And it said that the person had been injured. Now, you can hear other persons talking in the video. And I got the understanding that other persons at that place complained about working conditions or work conditions. See? So I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to share this video as much as possible and help bring an awareness. You understand me? Anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Tell me a thing.
See that stretcher? That's how serious it is. See that stretcher come for him. Stretcher. The same man. But then can't come a bunkhouse control done. The supervisor and the whole of them can't the man come through done. And see that? A stretcher have to come for the man.
I mean, after until the time.
And them talk about climb ladder.
People listen.
Can't work under them condition, brother.
Listen to the video, just listen.
Brother, wicked and wicked, me say. And come back up there smiling and laying them like everything alright, and then carry the man go hospital. Wicked man, them. I know that. What you go happen tomorrow? What go happen? I say if I say all of Jamaican come up here and wicked so.
Just listen carefully, my people. Listen what I want.
Next two. I don't want alone with I'm fuck one.
The person then say when it comes down to what's going on, you know. But it look like this one.
You tell them say Bill Sanders already, a GP Sanders man. That long time I know that man.
Everyone's in town. Yeah, it's like here you go. Here's another one.
You can't be me.
About him,
And because a man want to better life.
No man, shake up this time.
Come up there and laugh like everything alright at the field. And then live from a hospital and a good care. And with their protest video, that's the shake up part.
Shake up this time, yeah man.
I'm going to go back to work. Me imagine that's why me vex. Man, pretend like say all is well. I climb tree same way, I picture the bill same way, like yo.
We are black it bunk place.
As the bus come, me just me let none hear them. I be going for me now, nobody help me.
I'm black around there, sir. No man, he no
No
man.
one says certain things. No one hear a while ago in the video.
But I said them come a good way. Yeah, you said the man, they tell the man them say them pay with each time we touch the bus. You know hear that too?
Who said that?
You expect the people then come up here, come do the inspection, and then collect one set of man to go do it, and then the old man them tell the people them say we get paid for we enter the bus a morning time. We get what is that one then? Let me not go so.
No, who get paid?
No,
And
no
that
go
they
so but
say
that
the record clean.
All the pay. All tissues me here about the
I went for
no brother. John no.
Yeah, a 3 months of
One of them.
It's even worse.
No, it's supposed to be.
That's good word.
With a period.
How about the other two?
For the person.
No, I get him good, me can't get that.
All of we are poor come here and fight for.
I see no man with him, man.
Well, we'll deal with him. If you need another ambulance, call 911 and ask for a second, okay?
You need to go and check on the other guy. But they need to do it.
We've got him. If you guys need another ambulance, tell him to call 911, okay?
Come on, move. Jano. That the man don't look like me alright, none at all, my people. Watch it. Yo, Jano. Because a man want to make it like better, man I try and make it like better. That's why a man of a bad man, a man when they say a man of certain things, because a man don't know what a man do to get them things, you know. So me I show you like
kill a man and them people.
just look.
No good treatment we not get here, sir. None. Then you respect for yourself.
But the people ain't come for do it on the original man, them fix the thing, but I'm not in the here.
What you forgot? What something?
Going for money. And no, they really good. I have to pay the total of the ambulance come. I have to pay money. That's worth it. The police take a packet come throw you down. No one to come. And then the man said about the money. Put the man. I'm flipping up the man.
Anyone with this, brother. Anyone with. No, because I know you are going to behave, but all of come from Jamaica, all of come from Tigray, and all of come back. No, behave like say all is well made. All is not well made. Why tell me not about no supervisor as long as people do this, I can't tell you that.
I mean, you to come and build scandal.
Don't go up some alright, you know what I mean? Like, everything alright, man. Heal properly and things over time, you see me?
Him go and bring them back and put them in the bunk out and then want book people plane tickets, picking them home. And that's what I do. So only need to call police and build scandal.
We are black your road, send them out seriously. We are black that and bus come me and leak out here, them and ask Christ that. No one nobody help me.
Don't go upstairs in general, they don't put themselves in a trouble, you know. They may not bother make situation worse.
So we don't see my youth. We don't did it. We him did that work, you know. We him did that work.
This is an ambulance, so what that me I look on over there some people, you tell me.
Instead of call it the police.
Living that bomb.
I'm going to go upstairs, they don't put themselves in a trouble and go do anything, you know, that they're not supposed
We
to
can't
do.
take two
It's me
patients,
talk about
but we'd
work
have to get
as
another.
So next you don't drop off in a
The people, how can somebody allow a person who got injured to go lay down or go stay at a certain place and the person got injured? I mean, how can a person who run a workplace or supervise or whatsoever to the workplace allow something like that? See me I say, when a person get injured, them people, I know something for joke with, you know. You see me? Whether it wants to be even an ankle injury, right? Cause a workplace that. See me I say, my people, hey, you see sometimes a person will get injured, you know. Or a person will drop and get hurt or something and you take it lightly and you realize the person might have an internal injury, you know, and that internal injury slowly do damage until the person die, you know. Which if the person did seek medical attention from early, that person's life could have been saved. You see me as some people? I tell you, my people, you see, I just because, you know, You have people left them country, go in other countries, I try to make a better life. You know what I mean? Go work on this thing known as a work program to make a better life. And you see, the country that the person is from might be a country where work not easy to get and all them things there. And the person go try to say they can better have their life in another country for a certain amount of money that might be big in the country that where the person is from, but in reality, in the country where the person go work, that amount of money might not be enough for a normal citizen from that country, you know. You see me, some people? Yeah, because when they really and truly check it out, you know, if that money was really and truly enough, then normal citizens within that country would be flocking that kind of work. That's what I think. So my people, but then again, no, because you come from another country, you go up on a work program, you know what I mean? It's like you get threats, not everybody, but some people might get threats that they will get fired and they pan all the next plane back to them home and all kind of things. And you know, you have people where they don't want to lose that. You have people who are trying to better their life. I tell you, it ain't easy, man. It ain't easy. So my people, may I tell you something still. See, share this video, help bring an awareness. Share this video, help bring an awareness. Because this is the first me I hear complaints like this. See me I say, but me hope it is the last. You know, you hear the things that the people, the persons them saying in the video. You know, you hear the things that the persons them saying in the video, my people. You know, you hear the amount of persons in the video and make certain comments and say certain things. You know, you hear them clearly. People got through work program, me here say, died at certain workplaces. So people, help share this video. You help share this video, help bring an awareness. Not because you leave a country for work in another country and the money where you work in that country might be a little bit in that country to citizens in that country, but in your country bigger. It don't mean to say that you don't have rights and you feel go through certain things. Them things are not right. You understand? Yeah, man. Over and over me hear them type of complaint from quite a number of persons about how them get treated by work program. So help share this video with people. Alright? Yeah, so me I left it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you are.